Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong June 1 to 15, 2024. Ayan, so if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a reading. Let's see, Cancer, what's up with you ngayong first half ng June. Okay. You have the Page of Swords. This is curiosity. So, I think, meron kang mga gustong matutunan, matuklasan. Ngayong first half ng June, pwedeng may pag-aaral, researching. Yeah, I think you will be spending more time sa internet. For good reasons, no, na you want to research, you want to broaden your knowledge. Gusto mong mas marami pang matutunan. You also have the Emperor. So, this is Aries energy. I see that you are preparing. Parang meron kang paghahandaan, okay? Parang yung iba sa inyo, you are going to present yourself sa maraming tao. Pwedeng meron kang interview, may presentation ka, na kung saan gusto mo ipakita yung galing mo, yung talents mo. Pwede rin may mga ina-applyan kang work and you are preparing yourself for an interview. Oo. Let's see, ano pa. You have the Ten of Wands. So, may mga ano rito, challenging situation for you. Some of you may feel na parang marami kang responsibilities. Maraming obligasyon. Nakakapagod. Oo. Pero you are strong enough, no, to handle this. Kumbaga, andun yung masyadong malakas yung masculine energy mo para maging matatag dito sa situation that you are in. I think you have a lot of things to do. Yung iba sa inyo, multiple jobs, multiple sources of income. Nahihirapan pero kinakaya. And I think meron kang gustong gawing bagong, may gusto kang subukan, meron kang gustong bagong subukan na kung saan pinaghahandaan mo talaga. Let's say meron ka ngayong mga pinagsasabay-sabay na task. Trabaho mo, nag-aaral ka pa, may nire-research ka pa kasi gusto mo na may magbago sa situation mo, lalo na nahihirapan ka na. You feel like there is something that you can do to change your life, to be fully in control of your life. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, feeling nyo sa ngayon wala kayong choice. You have to focus on your career, kahit na nahihirapan kayo, no? Yung tipong gusto mo nang magbago ng trabaho pero hindi mo magawa kasi sa ngayon, yun yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng income. But I feel like itong mga pag-aaralan mo, malaking tulong yan sa'yo. Parang stepping stone siya para mabago mo yung situation mo. Let's see your money, career, finances. Ace of Cups. You have the Nine of Swords. Some of you, meron kayong bagong trabaho ngayon na you are expecting na masasatisfy ka sa work na to. But it seems na hindi, no? Parang there's a lot of expectations for this job, for this career, or for this business. Lalo na kung nagsisimula pa lang, no? Minsan kasi, kahit nagsisimula pa lang, ang taas na ng expectations natin. But of course, yung success kasi, it doesn't happen on the first day, 'di ba? It happens on the time na na-develop mo na yung trabaho na yan, career or business na yan. So, for some of you, maraming sleepless nights, no? Yung tipong puyat, pagod, and you will realize na, is this work or is this job worth it, no? Kung worth it pa ba yung pagsistay mo dyan? Kasi you have so much, you have high hopes. Mataas yung expectations mo dito. But it seems na you're not that fulfilled or you're not that satisfied. Hindi ka satisfied. Pero ang lesson kasi rito is Kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, make the most out of it. Be grateful for what you have. Pero kung hindi ka masaya sa situation mo, then do something, no? Kailangan mong gumawa ng paraan para makaalis dyan at ma-experience mo yung mas magandang career, trabaho. But of course, you have to be grateful for what you have right now. And I think yun yung ginagawa mo ngayon. May yung iba nagtitiis sa situation nyo sa trabaho, career, or sa business ninyo. But eventually, meron kayong ginagawang paraan para makaalis dyan. Some of you are learning a new skill. Ini-improve niyo yung sarili ninyo. Para mas maging qualified kayo to do something else. Okay? So, sa love life naman, you have the Six of Pentacles. You have the Hierophant. And the Lovers. Okay. So, some of you, pwedeng you are, if you are in a relationship right now, mas lalong tumitibay yung relasyon ninyo. No? Lalo na if you are connecting with someone na medyo malayo yung age gap ninyo. Someone is more mature than the other person kasi nako-complement niyo yung isa't isa. Kumbaga may tulungan. Oo. You are helping each other. I also see someone, like, if you are connecting with someone, very supportive siya sa mga gusto mo sa buhay, mga plano mo, tinutulungan ka niya. You may be dealing with a Taurus or a Gemini. If you are single, I think meron kang gusto, no? Meron kang person na gusto mong kilala mo na siya. Okay? Kilala mo na siya. It seems na parang crush ganyan, or meron kang ina-admire na tao kasi napakabuti nitong person na to. And you are wishing na itong tao na to ay sana kayo na lang. Kaya lang yung iba sa inyo, itong person na to meron na siyang pananagutan sa iba. So, be careful na lang sa pag-involve ng sarili mo sa ganyan, lalo na kung may pananagutan na tong person na to, no? Kasi medyo complicated yan. Okay, beauty. You are also going to focus on taking care of yourself, no? Pag-aalaga sa iyong sarili. Self-love, self-care. Oh, 'di ba, Cancer, meron ka talagang pag-aaralan. You're focused on learning, improving yourself, your skills, your talents. You are divinely guided. As long as you are doing your best, you are, kumbaga, mahirap kasi na mag-wish ng mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, pero wala kang ginagawang actions. So, the moment that you take action and wish for something na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, pero, you are doing something about it, then definitely, it will be given sa'yo. No? Ibibigay yan sa'yo. Let's see what else. Cancer. Heart and home. Happy home. So, maaring you are going to focus on your family, home life. You're going to experience a comfortable house or family. Yung iba sa inyo, i-re-evaluate nyo yung home life ninyo. Kung masaya ba kayo dyan. Kung kontento ba kayo sa estado ng pamumuhay ninyo. Kasi kung hindi, maaring may paglipat ng bahay. May celebration. Oh. May celebration. Some of you will be celebrating yung mga birthdays sa family. Yung iba naman, pwedeng merong achievement, no, within the family that you will have to celebrate with them. Maaring meron ding good news, may tawag, no, na magsasabi sa inyo na na may good news. Parang may magre-report ganyan. Oo. May message. Pwedeng ito yung mga ina-applyan ninyo. Oo. Na natanggap ka na sa work, or naayos na yung requirements mo, or kung visa man yan, whatever that is. Kaya you are going to celebrate. There is strength in doing nothing. Wait. What have you been forcing and how can you let go of the outcome? Ayan. So, sabi rito, meron daw strength sa paghihintay. Okay? Ito yung tipong nagawa mo na yung kailangan mong gawin. All you have to do is to wait for the result. Okay? So, wag mong hayaang ma-stress ka sa paghihintay. Mas maganda rin na you do other things para productive ka pa rin while waiting. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!